Hi brothers and sisters, welcome back. Last video we explored about lambda expression. What is a lambda expression? How to implement a lambda expression? We have seen last video session. In this video session, we are going to talk about lambda expression with return type passing parameters. Now this is my interface add number. In this add number interface, I have declared one method called add method. That add method accept two parameters, integer type and return type is a integer type. I want to add two numbers. I want to implement lambda expression for this method. For that, I will going to create one class add number IMPL. Add number equal to a comma b return a plus b. This is the implementation of lambda expression for return type and a passing parameter. In the last session, the last video, when we discuss about lambda expression, I have given one wrong information. I am very sorry for that. Left hand side of this lambda expression, we need to pass parameter that required for functional interface method. But what I told is last session, in the left hand side of the lambda expression, we need to pass return type. Right hand side of the lambda expression, we need to pass parameter that needed for functional interface method. That is totally wrong. Left hand side of the lambda expression, we need to pass parameter that required for particular functional interface method. In our case, add number having a method called add. That add accept two parameter. That two parameters we need to pass left hand side of the lambda expression. This is the rule. Whenever you implement lambda expression, you need to pass the parameter left hand side of the lambda expression operator. Okay, my add method accept two integer parameters, so I am passing two variable here, a comma b. Right hand side only we need to implement method implementation. Right hand side we need to pass only method implementation. The return type automatically taken care by Java compiler. This is the clear definition. I am explaining again. Left hand side of the lambda expression, we need to pass the parameter that needed for functional interface method. In our case, add number having one method called add, which accepts two parameters. So I am passing here two argument left hand side of the arrow symbol. The right hand side of the arrow symbol, we need to pass only method implementation. Here I want to add two number and return that number. So I am passing here return a plus b. That's it. This is the correct definition. Okay, please correct it. Now I want to execute that add method. Add number dot add 10, 20. 10, 20. Here int total equal to total plus total. Now I am going to execute this program. Now I am printing total equal to 30. So in the lambda expression, left hand side I just passing a comma b, right? I am just passing a comma b. I am not mentioning any type of the variable. Compiler automatically recognize type of the variable here. When you pass a comma b or some other variable name, automatically Java compiler recognize what is the type of the particular variable. Because add number having a add method that accepts two integer parameter. We are implementing lambda expression for that method. So that since that method having a 2 integer type, your Java compiler automatically recognizes that the parameter type also integer. You don't have to mention that. You can mention, but that is optional. I can say like this: int comma int. You can say like that, like this also, but this is optional. Please remember that left hand side of the lambda expression we need to pass parameter that needed for the functional interface method. Right hand side of the lambda expression we need to pass method implementation. That's it. Okay. Now I am removing this. I keep without mentioning a type. Here you don't have to mention return type also. If it is single line return. If you remove return keyword, you should not use braces. Okay, got it? If you don't want to use return type, you need to remove braces along with the return keyword. This will work perfectly. Okay. I hope this video will give you the better understanding about the lambda expression with return type passing parameters. One more thing I want to tell guys, lambda expression is not a unique feature for Java. This feature not specific to Java. There are many languages. Those languages already have lambda expression. For example, C++ and JavaScript, Ruby on Rails, C#, Python. These languages already have lambda expression feature. So this feature is not unique for Java language. Okay, don't think like that. Java is the only one language brings lambda expression very late. Other languages are already have. When you talk about Java features in interview panel, don't tell this statement Java is having a very good feature called lambda expression. That feature does not have any other language. Please don't tell that. Okay. This video talk about only implementation of lambda expression with return value passing parameters. This video never talk about what is lambda expression, how to implement lambda expression clearly. If you want to understand completely lambda expression, please watch other videos like part 1 and part 2. I have created already part 1 and part 2 lambda expression videos. You need to watch those videos for better understanding. Once you watch those videos, come back and watch this video. We will talk about some other topic in next video. Until then, bye bye from Suresh Kesavan. Thank you very much.